Not me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Wendy Vlogs.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap.
So as you've seen by the title, today we're going to our first festival in Jeju. To be honest, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we will see, and hopefully it's going to be amazing. Alright. Hi, masifikile kule festival. Shame kuyobe kumbuso kathi ama tourists engihamba nawo bukanje athokhela ama chine. Elizoboshwa. Hi. Guys, we made it to the event, but we're still walking. I'm feeling cold. I didn't dress up for this. I didn't. What? Why is it giving climbing mountain vibes, guys? I'm not here to climb. You can give me. It's giving hike vibes, and I'm not here to hike. I've been saying this. And my friends just seem to have a lot of energy. 21! Hey, that's a sash! It's so full, guys. It's so packed. And I thought people wouldn't come because the fire thing got cancelled. But people are here, child. Oh, there's food! So we're here at the food market. Still trying to decide what we want to eat. Guys, what do you want to taste? Condoms. Guys, can I get some orange? Thank you. They're nice. But the mama going to try thing. You know, got planning to umate sama na. Kantak mele na tayo sama na mama lana. Saan maget? Kona gisingko. I think this is the closest we've gotten to this. Doesn't taste nice? When are you having one? Peculiar taste. That's in Vienna, no cheese in Japan. Come on. Guys, I want soju. And no one is giving me service. Guys, so we're attempting to climb the mountain. Almost 7. Oh, John, going to see so long and guys, this is the festival. This is the Yona Patana. What's going on? Illusion, you're not. Excuse me. She's one I'm little. When I'm little, so zella. What's Halo? Guys, my hair is signature in this place. I think what's against opening mango pick out. Nesojo. Ay, Nkosi yami ndozulibosha. Ufuna ukuvela umuntu engayiningi. Ziningi ingaza. Zidingi sojo. Guys, we are so far and there are like a lot of people. I'm not even seeing what's happening in front. I'm just going to try and zoom in.
점잖게 당황하셨으리라 생각합니다. 그건 나도 마찬가지니까 너무 놀라시들 말고 함께 즐겨보시길 바랍니다. 아 좋다. 제주도 즐길 준비 됐습니까? 저는 지금 선글라스를 끼고 있어서 하지 않습니다. 이렇게 신나는 노래를 두 곡이나 때렸는데 아무도 일어나지 않고 가만히 앉아서 이 세계적인 축제를 가만히 바라만 보고 있습니다. 저는 이런 분위기를 당최 용납할 수가 없습니다. 이거 보입니까? 전까지만 해도 우리는 서로 잘 모르는 사이였습니다. 그런데 지금 우리가
불을 끄지 말아주시고요. 첫 번째
Guys, we're going to search for some food and soju and get drunk. Please, we've seen enough. I've seen enough. Now I just want to eat and get wasted and find a way to go home. Cause mom. We're having some soju and we are happy girls. Look at her dealing with something that's bigger than her.
We are whoa. We are trying to friggin' snow. Just kidding. Would have been nice though. Jeju 5 is still fireless. Have you been having fun?
Ryan.
Yep. A lot of fun.
It's been good. It's been great. Sai was great.
Oh, Sai was
Hey yo. Hey yo.
Not so pretty.
I can't buy.
Do you wanna come this side? The lighting is not that good. Okay.
I'm trying to buy.
Yes, no, maybe? You're so pretty, man. Yes. She's so pretty. I wouldn't be wearing a mask if I was that pretty. Go on.
It's really pretty, right?
She's really pretty.
You missed the taste.
You hadn't seen her?
No, I've seen her.
Is it nice?
It has a sugary thing. Taste it.
Like my first impression was like, you look so nice.
She's so pretty. She's got a nice
Really sweet.
vibe.
I don't agree.
Of course you're not gonna agree.
Uyahluleka mama ukubite. Bite mama. Bite mama. Amazinya wasebenza emntaneni. Is it nice? Can you taste the strawberry? Awubawu nkosi yami size sashilo 21. That's a 5 out of 10 for me.
So when I'm doing my laundry, I need to hang it here because they don't have like the lines outside. And I know this sounds crazy, but I'm used to hanging my clothes in a line outside. Do you get me? Like South African babes are going to understand. This takes like 2 days for my clothes to like fully dry, especially tracksuits. So it's just mad, but I wanted to show you my view. In the morning, it's gorgeous. And I live near the school. This is the high school that I live near. So yeah, anyways, this needs to wrap up because this is my work. Like, this is my work. I need this to go to work. So yeah, anyway, also this is my balcony, but I don't want to show everything now. I'm just here to show off my skin. Nothing more, nothing less. Can you see me? Are you mad? Please. One thing about my skin in South Korea, it's just going up. We're going up from here, my honey. We're going up. God, guys, it just started raining. This is the first rain that I'm experiencing in Jeju. Aww. So it's currently 11:46 and I'm trying to make breakfast. I'm going to have mushrooms and I'm just going to put eggs in there, and then I'm going to have some noodles. I know it's not making sense, but trust me, it will taste amazing, and that is the whole point. You get it? But I'm just lazy to do anything complicated and I'm hungry. So this is it. Guys, we preparing for dinner. She's preparing for dinner. I'm going to see. She's preparing for dinner. When I get vlog, I'm going to chicken, beef.
usisi lo ubuka ama-series ubhizi nama-series nje nakuphela lapha yekazadli akusakhoni nokodwa liyahlangana nje yalisho ngaleyo ndlela mama uma copyright oh guys like there's no other way of making it nje base noma ufuna ukunika i-break ulibeke eceleni ngoba phela likula west angi-understand guys oh my god mama Qala thina besicabangani thina bethu sibeka ibhodwe elishayo phezu kweplastic Guys, so I'm at work and I forgot that I'm vlogging. I'm so sorry. Anyways, I obviously can't vlog at work, so I'm just going to show you snippets of my day and we will talk kahle at home. So yeah. In my work area, guys, I forgot that I was vlogging, but I'm at work now. This is my office. I can't show much, but yeah. We'll talk when I get home because I can't vlog at work. Anyways, bye. Okay, so I just finished lunch and I thought let me quickly show you guys my classroom before my next class arrives. So this is my classroom. So basically I have a minimum of 27 students and a maximum of 30. So this is the setting of the class. And this is just today's activity that I'm doing. So yeah, this is practically it. This is just normally where I stand so that I can, you know, look at everyone. And then this is my material that I'm using today. I already heard the first class and we're basically doing acrostic poems. So they have to write their name like this and then choose any adjectives that goes well with them, and then, you know, they do. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that and we will talk later. I have 3 more classes today, so sana I'm in my working girl era, and you know what, it's good.
Lost in the cream.
What? You lost your ruler.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English. So guys, I'm so scared of vlogging in public because I don't want to like show anyone or show anyone's car. Anyways, this is a park where children come to play after school. I'm walking home now, about to catch a bus. There's a car again. Oh, Sana Loam. Anyways, guys, we'll talk home.
Like you, this ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.